If you wish to invest a lump sum amount in mutual fund, then this video is for you. Let us understand how to invest in a mutual fund scheme under the non-demat mode. First, do switch your profile toggle on the top right to MF, that is mutual funds, in order to view your mutual fund dashboard. Next, under the Invest tab, select the fund of your choice. Since we wish to invest in lump sum, click on Purchase. On the order window, enter at least the minimum amount. Please go through the terms and conditions and click on Agree. In case you have an existing investment with the fund house, let's say ICICI Prudential AMC, then as you click on Place Order, select an existing folio. Click on Confirm and Pay Now and complete the payment transaction through your registered bank's net banking portal. You could even pay via other payment modes with the help of the payment link received from BSE India on your registered email ID. In case you are investing in mutual fund for the first time or investing in the fund house for the first time, then you would need to create a new folio for which you need to authenticate your nominee details. In order to do so, contact your nearest Sharekhan branch or your relationship manager to help generate the nomination authentication link. Click on Proceed. With the help of your relationship manager, you will receive the link on your registered email ID and mobile number. Click on it and you will be redirected to the nominee authentication page, wherein you can confirm and submit your nominee details. Once you submit your nominee details, confirm the order and complete the payment transaction.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.